Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and today I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of a men's shoebox from ThredUp. I have never done one up until now. I have a friend, Stacy, who did one and she got some really good stuff. And so I'm pretty excited to give it a try. I usually do designer boxes, fun boxes. I even tried a t-shirt box, which was kind of meh, was okay. I've tried lots of them. My dream box is the Louis Vuitton box. I've done really well. I've gotten 2 of those. I've only seen them available twice, but anyway. For those of you who don't know, I'm Stephanie. I'm an eBay reseller and have been doing it many years. And yeah, right now, let's get right to it and open this box. I know it's $44 for this men's box, plus shipping, and then I don't pay tax on shoes, but those who do, it would be plus that. So $44, I cannot remember how many pairs that is for, but I'm going to find out when I open it up right now. So the box is too heavy to show you. Well, okay, here. I'll show you. It's a big one. And I was thinking it was only like 6 pairs of shoes, but it's more than that. So I'm doing this video right before I'm leaving for vacation. I'm going to Florida. So FYI, there probably won't be a video this coming Wednesday. Because I will be gone. But if I get a good haul, which I hope to, then there will be a video Wednesday because I'll do a haul video. But all right, for now though, if you are interested in any of these shoes I'm going to unbox, I won't be able to ship them until I get back, but I'll be happy to do that. If you can wait a week, then that's fine. I will ship them for you. All right, let's see. It is mixed, blah, 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 rescue 5. Huh. I don't know. I don't even know. It's not, even on here, it does not say. I don't know. It says, rescue box, men's 5 something. Huh. It's a lot more than 5 pairs, isn't it? Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, these are some big shoes. Holy smokers. All right. Oh, here is a brand new pair of shoes. Wow. They're Alfani brand. And that, I know that is sold at Macy's. I think it might be Macy's in-house brand, but these are brand new. They're genuine leather. They're really nice shoes. They're very, very nice shoes. Gosh, if they're my husband's size, I might have him. Oh no, I knew they were a little bigger. 13. I know that the size 13 men's shoes are in demand. My dad actually wears a 14, sometimes a 15. So I know it's always a challenge to get a good pair of shoes. But anyway, these are 13s. They're brand new. They're just gorgeous. So I don't know who sends in these shoes to ThredUp, but ThredUp doesn't sell men's products, and so they got to do something with it when people send it in. All right, well, next up is this pair of Zara leather sneakers. You know what we call these where I live? Tennis shoes. And probably most of you do too, but these, the real name I guess is sneakers, but they're in good shape. Looks like they've got a little bit of creasing, but if they were worn at all, then it wasn't much, because look at the soles. Those are in great condition. Okay, I'll show you close up here. Really in good shape. Really in good shape. Size 43, which I believe is Euro. It's a Euro size 43. I don't know what that is offhand. Let me just see if that's close to this. Yeah. By the way, I just looked at the tag on these, and this is not real leather. It's man-made leather. It's not leather. It's man-made material. So anyway, keep that in mind. All right, these, I don't know. They're size 43. I'll have it on the screen what the equivalent is, but that is those. Zara is an okay brand. They're a trendy brand, and so that's good. Okay. Next up is this pair of kind of beige suede loafers. They're in good condition. The soles do show some wear, as you can see. So that's, but that's okay because the inside is pretty good. Let's see. US size 11.5. A men's 11.5. They're very, very nice shoes. New Republic by Mark McNary. I don't know that brand, but here's how you can tell. One way you can tell it's a good pair of shoes. This little layer right here is made of leather. I can just tell. It's made of leather and it's gorgeous. It's the construction of these shoes is really nice. So These were not a cheap pair of shoes. I don't know what the retail price on them was, but also the ties are real leather, you can tell. So yeah, 11 and a half. Yeah, pretty good. Not too bad, not too bad. 2 more pairs, and they're both athletic shoes. All right. All right, these are Adidas. What are they? Adidas. What are they? They're a men's 11, and they're Adidas. They have not been worn much. Again, they don't have much wear at all. Like that's, you can tell how much. There's no heel drag on them that I can see. And you know, just look inside the shoe. They're clean, and you can kind of look up close. I mean, they're white, so there would be some wear if, you know, it would show, I guess, is what I'm saying. Look at the other one. Size 11. I'm not real knowledgeable about athletic shoes, so I don't know what kind these are, but they're nice. They got this kind of netting on them, so I mean, they're okay. I always have to look up athletic shoes because I don't know. All right, 1 more pair left, and I mean, I'm not gonna be like, what? It's great. I mean, but it's an okay box. This is a pair of Brooks. Brooks is, I think, a good running shoe. DNA Flash. Brooks DNA Flash. They're gray, and they do have some creasing at the toes, toe box, you can see. But again, there's no heel drag. You can look at that and kind of see. There's no heel drag. Just give you kind of close up look. So there's not a lot of wear to these shoes. And by the way, the prices I'm going to have on the screen here are going to be, I always have a lower price for YouTube subscribers than I would if I put them on eBay. So, all right, they have some wear, but not a lot. Not a lot. None of these have a lot of wear. So thank goodness for that. I don't want to get a dirty pair of shoes. I mean, yeah. So anyway, so that is the box. 5 pair. I can't believe it's 5 pairs for $44. Okay. I'm not sure. I guess I'm not sure enough about men's shoes to know whether I'll make my money back or not. But anyway, we got the Brooks. We've got the Adidas. These might be a good seller. Adidas are not cheap to buy new. These look like a great pair of shoes. New Republic. Don't know that name either, but they look high end, so that's good. And then we've got the Zara leather. Did I ever say whether they were real leather? But they sure seem like real leather uppers. Anyway, they seem like real leather, but I'll have to look it up. Anyway, the Zara athletic shoes. And last but not least is these size 13 Alfani dress shoes. And unused. But not real leather, but I can't believe it fooled me. They look like real leather. They really do. So that is the men's shoe box. I think I will make my money back. I mean, I'm not super excited about it, but I'm okay with it. Would I buy another one? I don't know. I'm going to wait and see what happens with this one. So I might not have a video on Wednesday, or I might, but stay tuned and we shall see. So thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.